Harnessing the power of real-time condition monitoring and top-tier data storage, Belden and our ecosystem partners empowered a prestigious European glass manufacturer to optimize their operational efficiency. By integrating field device data to a cloud-hosted industrial IoT platform, we provided real-time visibility, enabling informed decision-making with precise data and actionable insights. The result? A significant reduction in downtime and a marked improvement in operations. We were presented with several obstacles. The factory struggled with outdated and legacy machinery lacking modern connectivity. We needed to deploy resilient solutions that defied the extreme heat, dust, and debris of glass manufacturing. The absence of real-time monitoring and data storage for critical machinery parameters was a hurdle we had to overcome. Plus, our solutions had to be coordinated with AWS's IoT Core and IoT Sitewise. Belden confidently selected the perfect sensor capable of thriving in the rugged factory environment. The installation and connection process was a breeze, resulting in immediate local data processing and placing us at the forefront of monitoring enhancements with real-time alerts. With AWS IoT solutions, we implemented a scalable system that effortlessly handles updates and security patches, fortifying reliability and resilience. With the powerhouse collaboration of Belden and our ecosystem partners, we have profoundly transformed factory operations and production. The shift is monumental, a decrease in downtime and waste, augmented by a considerable boost in productivity. Elevating operational efficiency, our upgraded dynamic alerts and dashboards have phased out the tedious manual checks with little to no material waste. Enhanced by heightened LED indicator efficiency, their decision-making has never been sharper thanks to the powerful integration of advanced data collection and analysis systems. Belden and our ecosystem partners are spearheading the charge in driving unparalleled levels of efficiency, cost savings, and sustainability for manufacturers and other businesses. In conjunction with AWS and Accenture, Belden's network and data solution provides seamless, secure connectivity through various hardware, software, and services. By sending data to any destination, including cloud providers like AWS, Belden offers IoT solutions to collect, store, and process data at scale. Accenture then provides the application layer, expertise, and services customized to fulfill each end user's needs. By leveraging advanced predictive analytics, asset condition monitoring allows you to anticipate potential issues before they occur, thus reducing downtime and maintenance costs while maximizing asset efficiency. Belden and our ecosystem partners offer targeted, comprehensive asset condition monitoring capabilities to transform your industrial operations.